Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be doing something really different that I'm really not used to. We're gonna be doing some DIY hair mask and I'm really excited to show you all the details and how it works. So let's go ahead and start this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. We're gonna need a banana, some coconut oil, and honey. I'm gonna start by brushing my hair so we can divide it in smaller sections, and that's gonna make it easier to make sure that we have product in all of our strands. Another thing that you're probably not used to is that we're gonna be applying this from the scalp to the end, so it's not gonna be only to the ends of our hair because the banana has a great effect in our scalp and I really want to get the most out of this treatment. I love all of these ingredients for our hair, but let's talk a little bit about the benefits from each of them. With the banana you can expect some vitamins and minerals that are great for moisturizing the scalp, promoting hair elasticity, making hair shinier and more manageable in general. It also prevents dandruff, so if you have a problem with that, this mask can actually help you. Aside from that, it also prevents split ends and helps to heal the damaged hair. The coconut oil has great nourishing properties, so it provides a lot of moisture, helps frizzy hair, and it also helps to heal the breakage. Lastly, we have the honey. It helps a lot with dry strands. It adds a lot of shine as well, but mostly it is a great moisturizer, so it really helps a lot if your hair is feeling really dry. So let's go ahead and run to the kitchen, make this amazing mask, come back and apply it to our hair. By the way, we're gonna be applying it to dry hair, so before we actually wash it with the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so now that we have our mask, mine is over here. I have a couple of tips to give you before we begin. So I'm wearing this really old t-shirt right now because I don't want to mess any of my good t-shirts. I'm also getting a towel and putting it on top of my shoulders so we make sure we don't make a mess in the room. But if you're making this in your bathroom or something like that, that shouldn't really be a problem. Another tip that I can give you is the first time I actually tried this mask, I only smashed the banana with the fork and that didn't work really well because I felt like it was really hard to get the pieces of banana out of my hair while I was washing it off. So this time I actually mixed it all with the blender and made sure there were no chunks of banana left. I plan on dividing it on 3 big sections and then we're gonna divide it in 2 smaller sections like this. So let's get our hands dirty and start this. I'm grabbing just a small amount like this and we start with the bottom here. Oh my god, this feels so weird, but I really like the smell. I don't think it's gonna be a problem to any of you. And I'm just coming all the way up really close to the scalp. You can really feel how moisturizing this is. So that's basically how we do it. I'm going to apply this to every section and leave it on our hair for maximum of 1 hour. I feel like it can be really difficult to spend an hour with your hair like this, so 30 minutes should do the job. Alright guys, so my hair looks terrible, I know, but I promise it's gonna be worth it. I'm just gonna put it up in a bun, so I'll see you all in 30 minutes so we can wash all of this out. It's been 30 minutes and I cannot wait to wash this off, but before I go ahead and do it, I want to let you guys know that since we're using food in our hair, make sure to apply the shampoo at least 2 times, so you know we're not taking any risks here. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it and I'll be right back. Just blow dried my hair and this is how it looks. Okay, so I have a couple of things to say. First of all, I love the results. I love how it's shining. It feels lightweighted as well, but I have a lot of things to tell you. It was really hard to wash it off, but I ended up learning a way to do it quicker. So first of all, your instinct is to get in the shower and apply shampoo. do not do that because it's only gonna dry your hair, and once your hair is dry, all the food that is in our hair, I mean the bananas, the coconut oil, and the honey, are going to stick even more. So what we do is we first apply the conditioner from the roots. You have to apply it from the roots because we apply the mask up until our roots, and then you're gonna start brushing it off, and then you're gonna see that a lot of the banana is gonna come off, and it's gonna be really hard and time consuming to actually brush it off, but you're gonna be able to do it. It took me, not kidding, around 10 minutes to be able to brush it all off, but I was able to do it. And then once you're done with that step, you can apply the shampoo twice like I told you to, and then apply the conditioner. That worked perfectly for me. The only problem was that I tried applying the shampoo first because that was my instinct, but then I learned from it, and I learned that you have to apply the conditioner first to kind of make it more moist and manageable, so you can actually brush it all off and take all the product out. I love the results. I really think my hair is super shiny. It feels very, very moisturized. I hope you can see that. I really like the way it feels and the way it looks. It also smells really good. It smells kind of like honey, I would say. It smells really good. And it also feels super clean because I was a little bit worried that with all those things, especially the coconut oil, my hair would get kind of oily, but it feels super, super clean. I don't think that getting oily soon will be a problem. Now, the final question. Will I be doing this again? Probably not, at least for a couple of months, because like I said, it's a lot of work and you have to have a lot of time and patience to do this. But was it worth it? I think so. I really think so. I like the way my hair feels. If you have the time and the patience to wait the 30 minutes and then spend 10 to 15 minutes brushing all the things out to then be able to take a shower, I mean, it's completely worth it. I really love the results. It's just really time consuming, and if I'm being honest, I don't think I'm gonna be trying it again anytime soon. But I love this experience, guys. I love that I tried something different because I usually come here with expensive hair masks and all those things. So this was kind of the opposite. This is kind of something that everybody can do, and it really makes a difference in our hair. So I really, really hope you enjoyed it. If you still haven't, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember, if there's something you want me to try out, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you all next week. Bye.